Welcome to GiveawayGator.com. Come win a prize and put a smile on your face. Visit www.GiveawayGator.com today. Welcome to Giveaway Gator. Come win some prizes and put a smile on your face. This little video here, I'm just going to go down through some of the giveaways we are running right now. Here's one about taking care of your dog. It ends July 7th. Compact Dolly, July the 9th. Dinosaur in the elevator. 5 winners. Swedish Salon Pass, the 30th of June. Enter to win a Razor electric scooter. This is $150 retail value. What a gift that would be for some kid this summer. That ends July the 9th. Here's a filtered water bottle. Here's 2 winners will win a Sky Viper Fury stunt drone. That's just a few of our giveaways. And here's a few of our advertisements I'll go over. If you want to start your own business, all your tools in one place at All-in-One Profits, it's called. We have a team of about 150 members. When one makes money, we all make money. This is the kind of made-for-you graphics, funnels, landing pages, opt-in pages that our fearless leader, Frank Lefevre, he makes all of these up. And all you do is put in a few little numbers and voila, there it is. Anyway, that's a great all-in-one program. Alcohol-free sanitizer. Start this business for zero. Sell hand sanitizer, something that right now everybody's looking for and can't find. Here's one called Downline Builder. This is where you share your opportunities, I'm trying to say. And it's free. You get this free. Free is good. You ever heard the word that free is good? Well, what we all try to do in this little group is get things for free. Here's a Bluehost Hosting company. If you want to just have a website hosted, this is the 5th ranked company in the country. It's one I use for all of mine. Here's a CTFO. What that is this one right here. It's a CBT Hemp Oil Revolution. Nothing to sign up. Free affiliate. Sell great products. And here's one here that's a wonderful product. Don't pay anybody at Fiverr to do your graphics. This is about $30. You get all kinds of graphics. You get all banners for all social media. You get all kind of YouTube banners. You name it. Advertisement, live, motion, GIFs. I mean, this program is honestly awesome. I've been using this for years, and I never pay nobody else to do my graphics. One last one here is called our Daily Dazzle Giveaway Link Up. People who have giveaways, go to this plug-in, put it in, it brings it up. And right now we've got 16 or 18 bloggers that this goes out to, posted on their sites, some real bloggers. And that's about it here. We've got what's Web Talk all about. That's a link. That's another Facebook type program where you can make all your posts, business connections, a lot of people on there. Here's the all-in-one profits deal. Here's Blogger Ops. If you want to increase your social media followers, this is a great way to do it. It's how I've become with over 10,000 Twitter followers, 10,000 Facebook, a couple of thousand Instagram, Pinterest. All you have to do is to post our giveaway on your blog, and you'll get at least one social media follower link to put on there. And there again, it goes out to at least on 16 or 18 other people's blogs, and it goes out to thousands of people. Anyway, that's about it on this end today. It's Thursday here. I'm taking the rest of the weekend off. Gonna get fired up for next week. So remember this, that today is a good day to have a good day. This is Gator Mike signing off.